This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely updated home in the Hogan Meadows manufacturing home community close to community sports park, shopping, public transportation, and Hogan Cedar Elementary. Spacious great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, a large kitchen with a second eating area. Owner's suite has a full bath. Outside is an extra large fully fenced yard with a garden area, tool shed with power. Also includes a heat pump with AC, vinyl windows, newer roof, and newer hot water heater. Nice view of Mount Hood from the second bedrooms too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.